Introduction to app-based goal setting.
Planning for a major purchase like a vacation or a new gadget can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, many budgeting apps offer goal-setting features to help you break big expenses into manageable steps. In this video, we'll walk through how to use these app tools to map out a plan, track your progress, and save efficiently for your next big buy.
Choosing the right budgeting app.
There are several popular budgeting apps, including YNAB, Mint, and Goodbudget, each offering tools to set financial goals. Look for an app that supports custom goal creation, expense tracking, and the ability to link bank accounts. Choose one with a user-friendly interface and strong security features to make managing your finances both safe and convenient.
Setting up a savings goal.
Once you've chosen your app, look for the option to create a savings goal. Enter the amount you need, such as the price of a trip or a laptop, and set your desired deadline. The app will automatically calculate how much you need to save each month or week, helping you break your big purchase into smaller, achievable steps.
Tracking your progress automatically.
Budgeting apps can connect to your bank accounts, allowing you to automatically track progress towards your goal. Every deposit or transfer you make is logged, and visual progress bars keep you motivated. You'll receive reminders and updates, so you always know how close you are to reaching your target, and can adjust as needed if life changes.
Staying accountable and adjusting your plan.
Most apps offer reports and alerts to help you stay accountable. If you spend less in other categories, you can reallocate those funds to your goal. If your timeline or priorities change, adjusting your plan is simple. Just update the goal details in the app. This flexibility helps you stay on track, no matter what comes your way.
Achieving your big purchase with confidence.
Reaching major financial goals becomes much easier with app-based planning. By leveraging goal-setting tools, you can visualize your progress, stay motivated, and achieve big purchases without the stress. Using these apps empowers you to take control of your finances and confidently save for the things that matter most.